First go to the file and choose open. Select this girl image, click open. Now take the quick selection tool and click on select subject. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the selection into separate layer. Go to the adjustment layer options and choose a solid color adjustment layer. Select white color, click OK. Now move this layer to below. Select the top layer. Open image, adjustments and choose desaturate. Hit Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Go to image, adjustments, this time select invert. Go to blend modes and choose color dot. Right click on this layer and choose convert to smart object. Go to filter, blur and choose Gaussian blur. Increase the blur radius to 35 pixels. Press OK. Go to the adjustment layer options and choose levels adjustment layer. Adjust the input levels like this. Now hold Shift Ctrl Alt buttons and click E. This command will merge all of these visible layers into one layer. Select this layer. Go to filter, noise and choose add noise. Enable Gaussian. Increase the Gaussian amount to 20%. Click OK. Then go to image, adjustments and choose desaturate. Let's see the final result.